Hello. We continue our muscle activation workouts after a long break, lack of regimen, and the prevalence of a generally negative lifestyle. If you don't mind, put a like and comment. It promotes the video on the site. Today, back muscles and a little bit of biceps. Warm up. Start with a light jog and a basic full body warm-up. I've warmed up before for a jog before. I have a medical diagnosis of shoulder tendonitis, so some of my movements are limited and I'm as careful as possible. I'm adding exercises from exercise therapy. These exercises will be just as useful as prevention for those who don't have joint and tendon problems. Perform these exercises with rubber loops. These exercises are very useful for preparing deep muscles and tendons for work and preventing injuries. Don't ignore this part in order to take care of the future. Next, we will perform pull-ups on the bar in various ways and an exercise for the abs. Pause and keep the number of reps you want. I'll also show you some of the life hacks. If you have difficulty performing pull-ups on the bar, use the help of a rubber loop. This is a great fly hack for those who have health problems with the lumbar spine. When hanging from the bar, our spine is stretched, which is very beneficial. But many people make the mistake of jumping down. When they land sharply, the spinal discs are abruptly compressed, which can aggravate the injury over time. I offer you a very useful method of jumping down with cushioning. Use it. Important. Press exercise is performed on the bars when the main workout is on the bar. A simplified version of the exercise, lifting legs bent at the knees. When we work on the chest muscles, we will perform abs while hanging on the bar. Now I will give general recommendations on exercises for people with different basic training. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. General recommendations start with 3 to 5 reps of each set. Then after learning your strength, gradually increase the number, but do not rush. Your goal is to do a full workout, not to increase the number. Your maximum will increase later, and someone will even be surprised by how much. Don't forget to breathe evenly. Don't hold your breath. When you perform an effort, exhale on relaxation. Inhale. Add light jogging to your workouts for 30 minutes, 3 times a week. Thanks for watching, subscribing, likes, and comments. This is very inspiring for me.